Hello students, we will see now theorem 6.3. Okay, there are two ways to write this theorem. Okay, so I have written here or, you can write like this also. But in the textbook it is given like this. If two triangles corresponding angles are equal, so we have two triangles, their corresponding angles are what? Equal. It is the given data. What it is? The given data. Okay, ABC and we will say PQR. Okay, so we will go according to the statement. If two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So given, what we will say, given, yes, angle A equals to angle P. Okay, we will name this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that will be convenient, I can say. Instead of A, I will write 1 equals to 4. Angle 1 equals to angle 4. Angle 2 equals to angle 5. Angle 3 equals to angle 6. Okay, it is given. What it is given? If in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then the corresponding sides are in same ratio. So we need to prove. What we need to prove? The corresponding sides, that is AB upon PQ equals to BC upon QR equals to AC upon PR. AB upon PQ, BC upon QR and AC upon PR. This we need to prove. Okay, to prove it is very important part. From that only we get hint. So always focus on to prove. So construct now. Yes, now construction we will do and then proof. So before that, this question can be written in this way also. Or if two triangles are equiangular, then they are similar. Prove it. That is ABC is similar to PQR. So you need to also prove triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Yes, you need to prove this also. So here also, see, if two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then the corresponding sides are in the same ratio and hence the two triangles are similar. Okay? Yes, right. Now we will proceed further. So construction. Mark a point, we will say, mark a point S and K. Okay, mark a point S and K on PQ and PR respectively, right? And such that we have to mark a point in such a manner that PS should be equals to AB. Okay, mark a point S and K on PQ and PR respectively, such that AB equals to PS and AC equals to PK. Right? I will join this SK, then join SK. Okay? After joining SK, now we will write the proof. See now how to write the proof. Our aim is to show this corresponding side are in proportion, AB upon PQ. This can only happen in Thales theorem, right? I will use the help of Thales theorem, that PS upon PQ. We have seen the Thales theorem, okay? But by corollary. But by what? Corollary. See now. In proof, what you will do? In triangle ABC and triangle PSK. ABC and PSK. Angle 1 equals to angle 4 given. And construction C. AB equals to PS construction. And next one is what? After AB equals to PS, next one is AC equals to PK. AC equals to PK. This is also construction. This theorem proof is also important. It may also come in exam, okay, as it is a theorem. Now AC equals to PQ. So can you say triangle ABC is similar to triangle PSK? ABC is similar to triangle PSK, not similar, congruent you need to say. Why? Because we are using congruency criteria here, because angle 1 and angle 4 are what? Equal, and the sides are equal. They are not in proportion. If it was in proportion, then we can use similarity, but we have used equal to sign. So we can say they are congruent by side angle side. Yes, so by SSS criteria. Okay, we name this angle as 7 and 8 for our convenience, and now we can say angle 2 equals to angle 7. Since these two triangles are congruent, ABC is congruent to PSK, angle 2 equals to angle 7, and we can also say, first I will write angle 2 equals to angle 7, and next one is what? Angle 3 equals to angle 8. Name this as complete, you can name as 1, right? Name this as what? 1. Okay, after giving the name 1, now we will proceed further. Can we say BC equals to SK by which criteria here? CP, CT, corresponding part of congruent triangle. Corresponding part of congruent triangle, right? And name this as 2 over. Now see, from 1, now 2, now third one we will take what is given, that is angle 2 equals to angle 5, angle 3 equals to angle 6. Okay, this is given, right? I will name this complete as 3, and it is given. Now you can check angle 2 is equals to angle 5, and here angle 2 equals to angle 7. Can I say angle 7 and angle 5 are equal? Right? Yes. So from 1 and 3 we can say, from 1 and 3 angle 5 equals to angle 7, and next one also angle 3 equals to angle 8 and angle 3 equals to angle 8. Things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. So angle 6 equals to angle 8, right? Angle 6 equals to angle 8. Name this as 4. Now from 4C, this is a set of 4. Angle 5 equals to angle 7. See, angle 5 equals to angle 7. Angle 6 equals to angle 8. Okay, are they corresponding angles? F formation here, you can see it is just above this, just above this. F formation is there. So since corresponding angles are equal, we can see lines are parallel. So from 4 we can see, from 4, what? Since corresponding angles are equal, corresponding angles are equal, lines are parallel. Lines are parallel. That is, we can say SK is parallel to QR. Okay, SK is parallel to what? QR. Okay, but we want to show this proportion. Yes. Now you got SK is parallel to QR. Can we use corollary of Thales theorem? That is corollary of BPT. That is PS upon PQ, right? So name this as what? 5. Okay. So from above, from 5, what can you say? From 5, you can say, since SK is parallel to QR, we can apply corollary of Thales theorem. Okay, so from 5, we can say PS upon PQ, then SK upon QR, and next one is what? PK upon KR. PK upon KR. We will apply one by one, not totally. Yes, 2 times we will apply. PS upon PQ equals to what? PK upon KR. PK upon K, not KR, PR. PK upon KR. Okay. So you have put the value. What is PS? PS is what? We know PS is AB by construction, AB upon PQ. What is PK? PK is what? AC by construction, AC upon PR. Yes. And we can also say, we will take that SK upon what? QR. No problem. Here we can say by corollary of Thales. Okay, so you will get here what? Instead of SK, what you will get? Instead of SK, you will get what? SK equals to what? BC. BC upon QR. Name this as 6. Now see, since all angles are what? Corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are in proportion. Okay, AB upon PQC, AB upon PQ, AC upon PR, AC upon PR, and BC upon QR. Since all the corresponding sides are in proportion and corresponding angles are equal, okay, corresponding angles are equal, already it is given. Therefore, you can say triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. By which criteria? Yes, angle criteria. Okay, because it is given, if two triangles are equiangular, then they are similar. It means what? AA criteria or AA, right? So triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, and we have proved AA similarity. We have proved this AA similarity, right? We can directly say triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR from 6 and given. From 6 and given. Okay, and we will use this criteria as AA when we will solve it. Okay, so hope students you got it.